What's up, guys? So a couple quick updates here. First one, Eli Tomac, there's an interview going around with him asking if there's any chance we could see him back for SMX, and he shoots that down really quick and says no, he's definitely out for the rest of this year. The earliest we will see him is Anaheim 1. There's also an interview going around with Justin Barcia, and he was spotted riding. He's back on the bike. He was riding at the Gas Festival, whatever thing they had in Italy, where they announced their new model. So I think, is he going to be back for Unadilla? Regardless, he's going to be back really soon. A lot of interest in this Triumph bike. A lot of people very upset that they have drawn this out the way they have. Other people say we have no reason to criticize them because it's a new bike coming in, and we should just be happy and thankful for new bikes. So, you know, I'm somewhere in the middle of that. And then lastly, Loretta's is about to start, and I don't follow amateur racing crazy close, but I always get super interested in it during Loretta's every week and spend a lot of time watching the races. So I'll be doing that, and I may do a few videos regarding that if anything interesting happens. So hit that follow button and stay tuned for those, guys. Thanks. Keep the rubber side down.